Hello everyone! My name is Ophélie and I currently study psychology. Right now, I am on the website ordpsy.qc.ca. You can see many features, but I will show you the ones I find the most interesting. In my field of study, there are lots of concepts and definitions to remember, such as what is a therapist, what kind of therapy can be offered for a specific problem, etc. Those can be easily forgotten, but are essentials. This website can be very helpful to remember those forgettable things. So, when you get on the website, which is sadly only in French, you have on the middle top of the screen a tab called Les services psychologiques. If you put your cursor on it without clicking, a menu appears with some questions where they will have definitions. For example, if we click on Les orientations théoriques, it brings us on a page where there are the four principal approach and their definitions, right there. Another example, if we click on Qui pratique la psychothérapie, you have the who are the psychotherapists right there, and they are named. When we go back on the homepage, we have a nice feature for another issue. Indeed, in psychology, many researches are done, and when you study in this field, you must be aware of it. If you go down on the web page, on the left side, we have a link called Consulter notre revue de presse. If we click on the button right under it, En savoir plus, it takes us on a new page with many different articles. They are about lots of subjects, so it can be very helpful. For example, you have one published today on December 11th, 2018. You can consult the news, clicking here, and it brings you to the article. Let's get back to the homepage. Another feature can be very useful. Well, when you study psychology, you must know that you will have to be a member of an organization which is called l'Ordre des psychologues du Québec. To know more about this professional corporation, there's a button on the top right corner of the screen called L'Ordre. When you put the cursor on it, you have a title about the organization. Right here, à propos de l'Ordre. Under this one, 6 subtitles are linked to explanations. For example, if you want to know more about the mission of your future professional organization, you click on Mission, which brings you to simple points about what does the psychologist professional corporation. Also, you have a menu about who is the president of this organization, who is in the administrative council, and many others. Finally, those are the main features of the website for a student in psychology, but don't be shy to explore the website.